Hello there, my name is Chris Bruno. The first thing I want to do is I'll just go into my test epic and create a test. So I'm going to create a test run for this process to create an incident. And I'll just wait for that to load, and then we can go through with the rest of the process to create a guided tour. So my test run is now loaded. You can see there's a box down here called Guided Tour. So I'm just going to click on this box and then save the record. So this basically just tells the test that we would like to use it for a guided tour. So now I'll just initiate my test run, kick that off, and we'll wait for it to finish running. Okay, so my test has now finished running. So all I need to do next is click this Create Guided Tour button. So it'll give you a little pop-up here where you can just select which user stories you would like to include in your guided tour. So for this one, I'll just select both of them, and all you have to do next is just click OK. So it'll think about it for a second, and then it will tell you that it's created your guided tour. So let's take the tour. I will just go to my home page, and I'll just click this little help icon up here. So I have the option to start my tour. And there it is, create incident, and let's just click that off. And all I need to do is follow the instructions as it says there. So for example, navigate to the create new module in the incident application. And then you just go through all of the steps that ask you to complete, just like you would for a normal guided tour. And that is the process, it's just that easy. And I can just continue following the instructions as much as I need to for the whole test. So it's just taking all of the steps from the test and turns it into a guided tour. And there we have it. That is the process of creating a guided tour using AutomatePro. Thank you for watching.